Train Lane would be as good as any cornerback in football. He had to be the prototype.
I'd heard of
an NFL cornerback should be.
Good looking, so refined. So let me get right to the point. Big spender.
Oh, this is before colors existed. He run like somebody finna actually try to chase his ass.
Two players in the National Football League, every time they hit you, they tried to hurt you. And they did.
No. Cause who? He think he in a damn WWE. I'm on the sideline practicing. You hear me? Oh, ref! Ref?
He was one of the few players that hurt you every time he tackled you, Butkus being the other one.
Oh, he'd kill you.
He wouldn't tackle you.